I caught me a big body Benz. We touching paper for real niggas rapping pretend.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheryl. If you guys are new here, I do cruelty, free beauty, and vegan lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Today, I got a little bit of a rough start. If you guys don't know, I have a 6-month-old, almost 6-month-old son, and he has just been a monster these past 2 days. I think he's teething really bad. But before I get off topic, I wanted to show you guys a little bit of my haul and what I've been doing for the past couple years, and as of recently, I got kind of off of it because he's just in the back yelling. Things have just gotten kind of crazy, so I just wanted to reintroduce this to myself, get back on track. I don't think I have many products in my house that are super toxic, but I can owe that to this app called Think Dirty. I have it on my tablet. I have an iPhone 6 and it just runs out of memory. It's always full. Look at my baby. It's always full, so I'm just going to show you on my tablet. Actually, I do have it on my phone, but it runs a little slower. So that's what it looks like on my tablet. I'm going to hit Think Dirty right there, and that's what it looks like. I have it here on my phone as well. But I'll show you on this since it's a little bigger, and hopefully I'm still in frame. So how this works is you can either scan a product, it says scan right here, or you can type it in. Personally, I do both. You can save products to your bathroom shelf, you can put it in a list, or you can like a product. Look at all this stuff. Laughing at me? I'm coming a little closer. So today we're on a hunt in the soap aisle. I need another soap and I need a lotion, but I'm trying to get them to be on the Think Dirty app. So if you guys don't know what the Think Dirty app is, I'll pop a picture on the screen. We're trying to get things that are a little more natural because it's going right on our skin. So, but first and foremost, I need my deodorant. Derma's here. Derma E, look. Derma E is here, but they have Schmidt's as well. But I want the rose scented one because that one's bomb. $6.99. That's not bad. Oh, here it is. Rose and vanilla. This is probably one of the best scents. Schmidt's. It's $4.99. It's normally $8. So $3 off. That's really good. And when I get things like this, I normally like to check and make sure it hasn't been messed with. This is one of my favorite scents, so I'm gonna grab this today. But I want to check it on my Think Dirty app. What I did, as you'll see through some of the clips that I did in store, I ran to TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx is one of my favorite places to go, but I was watching my friend here on YouTube, Karen. Her channel name is The Glamorous Queen, The Glamour Queen, The Glamorous Queen. I'll put it on the screen. I'm not sure if it's glamorous or glamour. Anyhow, she goes to TJ Maxx all the time, and I'm like, girl, like, how are you finding all these great deals at my TJ Maxx, at my Ross, at my Marshalls? I feel like it's always like the crap of the crap, you know, not the cream of the crap of the crap. So I decided, my sister was like, let's just go, let's see what they have. So we went today, and I was actually pleasantly surprised. From the last time I went I want to say a couple months ago, they've revamped their store and have a whole bunch more things. So what I did, I really only went in there to get a couple things. My total was $24.42, and I got 5 items. Hopefully Denver in the background's not bothering you guys, but this is currently my life. He's chewing on his hand. So we're just gonna have to work around them, okay? And vanilla, natural deodorant, right? I tried to scan the barcode, but it wouldn't come up, so I just typed it in. And here, I don't know, here it says it's 0, and then here it goes with 3. So we'll just go with 3. And it shows you the allergens when you click on it. So if it's green, it's clean, half and half, and then red is dirty. So we want to stay out of that section. Oops. And it shows you Okay, it normally shows you the ingredient deck on here. And then if you buy it, you can put it on your bathroom shelf. If you've tried it and you've liked it, you can heart it. And if you want to try it, you put it under your list, and it'll add it to your list of things that you want to try. So, Think Dirty. I'm going to try to find a couple more things. Ooh, bug spray. See, this can get you in trouble. Blossom deodorant. It's vegan, no aluminum, no phthalates, I think that's how you say it, and no whatever. So I decided to look it up on the app just to see if it was going to be something I could add into my collection. My goal here is to lessen the amount of toxins. I know I wear a lot of makeup and all that stuff, but if I can reduce it in things that are going all over the body, I am. And it didn't get graded good. 5 is so-so, 8 is super dirty. So I'm gonna put that back. I wonder if it lists. Here it gives you the ingredients that are most toxic. It has silver in it. So this is a no-go. Okay, you're gonna help me, Dun Dun? You're gonna help me? Yeah? Look at that hand. Look at that hand. No. You're gonna attack Mama's face. Okay, so like I said, I ran in and grabbed the Schmidt's Rose and Vanilla Deodorant. This is normally $8 in the store. I picked it up for $4.99. So I really like this fragrance. I know it doesn't work with some people, but for me, if I get a little funky during the day, I don't mind going to the bathroom, wiping my pits down and reapplying. Reapplying is never a problem for me, especially when it's more of a natural product. I know, especially because I am breastfeeding, I want to make sure everything that is going on that region is safe. Other deodorants and antiperspirants have aluminum. Aluminum is linked to breast cancer, and I don't want that. So I just grabbed this. I like that there's no aluminum, no artificial fragrance, so this is really great in my book. And on the app, it's linked to be, I believe, a 3 I said earlier. They're cruelty free, so that's also something that sits well with me. Ow, Dr. Bronner's. We all know Dr. Bronner's. I actually picked this up the other day. I picked up a peppermint scent, but for me, since I am breastfeeding, they said my lactation consultant said to be careful with mint. Mint is known to dry out your supply. So I decided to go back and just pick up the rose scented one. This is Dr. Bronner's Rose Pure Castile soap. I'm not sure if you say Castile or Castile, but this is the soap, and it's normally $10. I picked it up for $7.99. This should last me a really long time. I actually also wanted to pick this up because I have to wash my makeup brushes. It's been a very long time, and I have run out of clean brushes. So I'm going to take that time to clean them today and have them dry out so I can have some fresh ones for tomorrow. But if you guys are not well versed on Dr. Bronner's, I would highly suggest them. I really like them. The rose scent is really good. I also like the tea tree scent. I also like the almond scent. It's just, you know, more personal preference. I smelled the Earl Grey one today and it actually exploded everywhere when I did so. But I really like that one too. So I feel like, and if you don't like any of those fragrances, they do have a mild scented one that you can use for babies, or I believe an unscented one as well. So to each their own. Another product that I picked up was from the company called Jason. This is fluoride free, SLS free, gluten free, sea fresh strengthening paste. This flavor is deep sea spearmint. And if you can see that, I hope the light's not blowing it out. I picked this up for $2.99. I believe on the app this, and it was $5. This company is also cruelty free, and I believe on the app it came up as a 3. Hopefully I can post something here that says it for you guys. But yeah, I wanted to get this as well. I like to use cruelty free, obviously, toothpaste, but also ones that are fluoride free. So that one is another one, and I picked up this one too just to see if I like the different flavor of it. This was also from the same company, Jason, Simply Coconut Whitening Toothpaste in the flavor of coconut cream. And this is made with coconut oil, pineapple extract, strawberry extract, and bamboo powder. So, and I have very sensitive teeth. Temperature sensitive, just sensitive all around. So I wanted to give this a try. This is normally $5 and this is $2.99. What's the fluid ounces on this? Let's see. This one is 4.2 ounces and this one is 6 ounces. So You could choose either or. That's what that one looks like. What, Stinky Man? What, Stinky Man? He has been my shopping partner all today. He was literally, like, he was talking, but he was screaming. Like, not just, like screaming in the store, but not in pain, not just talking. I don't know. He gets with his cousins and he goes crazy. So I have limited myself to just picking up those 4 products. I'm still working through a bunch of other things as well underneath my cabinet. I want to say everything underneath my cabinet should rate pretty well on the Think Dirty app. If you guys don't have it, I'm actually very interested in seeing what underneath your cabinet would rate. As of right now, let me see if it gives me my total score of what it looks like. So my bathroom shelf, my overall rating is a 2, which is really cool. And I only have about 10 products in here that I've actually taken the time to add. But I'd be interested in knowing what your overall rating for underneath your sink is. If you guys have this app, let me know what your rating is. Just pop it down below. You could just write 10, or my score is whatever, or 8, a 5, or whatever it is, and let me know. And I think that's pretty cool. It's pretty interesting. It's great to know what's going on our skin. Now, I'm not saying I'm gonna switch out my all of my makeup products, but to know what's going on your face and on your skin is always a good thing. So, oh, and the last thing that I got, if you guys don't know, I'm obsessed with dates. I really like dates. They're full of fiber. They can give you natural energy. But these are pitted dates, and I paid, what, $3.99 for these? These are all natural. I actually eat them with, I eat them with a handful of almonds. So you can have 4 to 5 dates. That's a serving. It's 110 calories. And I just have like a handful of almonds and I eat them together and it's so good. I actually was eating this in the last bit of my pregnancy, so, and that was supposed to help with like uterine strength and all that stuff. But yeah, hopefully all is well with you guys. Hopefully Denver and his scream, talking, whining right now is not hurting you. Sometimes this just happens. In order for me to get my videos up on schedule, this is what it's like. But hopefully all is well with you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Please remember to be blessed, well dressed, and not stressed, and I'll see you there. Bye. Look, Papa, look. Look, Papa, look. Say bye. Look. Danny Dan. Dan 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 Dan. Danny Dan. Dan 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 Dan. Look it. Look up. Oh, oh, oh. You got mama. You got mama. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, oh, thank you. You say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You probably have lipstick on your face. Oh. Say bye-bye. Oh. Thank you. I love you. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Oh. Okay, say bye-bye.